Good morning, Aotearoa. My name is Pitmao Bitelo, and welcome to Village Knockout. Village Knockout is a game show. Whichever team gets the most points wins the competition. Let's meet our contestants.
Aloha, my name is Mitchell.
Kalafalava, my name is Kezia.
Hi, everybody, I'm Shana.
What's up? My name is Al.
Great, now we know your names. Please, tell me, what are your team names?
Our team name is...
Team Aloha.
Team Shell! Thank you, Team Aloha and Team Shell. Our first game for today is Prop It Up. I'll put a prop on the mat, so you come to the prop, show me something, I'll guess it, and if it's right, you get a point. Got it? So make it clear so that I know. First prop is this massive tire over here. Show me something. Necklace, a lei.
Yeah.
I know what that is, but I don't know the name for a weighted tire.
Yay!
A bike. A bag. Next prop. This bowl over here. Come and get me something to get. Food. Salad. Me eating. Earrings. What the hell? Are you a Ninja Turtle? Yes. A coconut.
Yeah.
Next prop is this cone and gun. A witch hat. Ice cream cone. I'm making fun. Do you get me?
I'm in clear.
What is that? I can't guess that one. A guitar. 5, 4, telescope. 3, 2, back. 1. Thank you. The winner of that round was Team Aloha. Well done. Our next game is Catastrophe. Catastrophe. One player must walk through without knocking too many cups down. They are blindfolded, so their teammate guides them by the sound of their voice. The catch is, the other teammates can distract them by speaking also. The fastest team who knocks down the least cups wins.
This.
Okay, Team Shell, you are up first.
Hey.
How many fingers am I holding?
10.
Correct. Start the clock. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, up.
Left.
Left foot down.
Oh, wait.
Wait, let me focus.
Yeah.
Right
Oh.
foot up.
No.
Right foot up.
Left,
Down,
left,
down,
left,
down.
left,
Up, down.
Left.
Sideways. Left, right.
Foot down.
Right, left.
Walk big ass.
Down,
Oi,
down,
oi.
down.
Yeah, down. Go down. Put the foot down.
Wait.
Don't,
Right,
oh,
left, out, right,
don't lift up the right foot. Put it down, put it down. Put down the foot.
Go step down. Where you're walking out. Go straight.
Don't go forward.
Okay, go.
Straight.
Oh, left.
I feel like we were
Well
hopping.
done, Team Shell.
See you, Mike.
Next team. Down, yes, okay. Are we ready, Team Aloha? 3, 2, 1, go.
Left foot.
To the side,
Oi.
to the side, to the side.
To the side, left foot to the side. Yep, perfect.
Side.
Okay, right foot up, right foot up.
Go to the
Wait.
side.
Right, yeah, good. Down. Right foot down, right foot down. Right foot down. Okay, left foot up. Okay. Wait, no. Right there, down. Okay, right foot up, left foot up. Right, no, too far. Go back.
Down.
Yeah, down. Go down. Okay,
Nice
left foot up.
listening. Nice listening.
Down. Okay, left foot down. Right foot up.
Oh,
Whoa. Back. Down. Okay, left foot up. Go. Perfect. Go.
Well done, Team Aloha. Great listening skill from this team. Team Aloha, you have won the competition. Please come and claim your prize. That was Village Knockout. Thank you. Hockey for my team.